What's up? Copper Cab is a queer. That's what he is. He's a fucking queer. Alright, so here's the thing. It proves that all fucking gingers are pissed off little shitheads. No one ever said he didn't have a soul except for South Park. He's just hating mankind because what South Park said is true. Gingers don't have souls. I swear to God. No, this kid, this Copper Cap kid, he's like inferior to the average ginger. You know, he's not just, and in terms of his lineage to the Aryan race, he's nowhere close. He's like the counter-Aryan race. He is so inferior. He is like the bottom of the pit, inferior to the rest of mankind. He is a little shithead, Copper Cap is. He thinks that he's awesome because he can cuss and he gets angry. I know a kid just like you, Copper Cap. A kid just like you. His name is... I'm not going to say his name because copyright infringement or slander or some bullshit legal term like that. All I know is he's a fucking redneck piece of shit, and all that he would do, he would get pissed off at the littlest, tiniest things. He always threatened to bash my head with a mallet and whatnot. So I know when you see this video, you're going to get all pissy. You're probably going to try to hunt me down and kill me. Well, I say this. Go fuck yourself and go kiss Joseph Stalin's arse, you equal rights piece of shit. You have no idea how it works in the 21st century. You think that you still live like the 1960s where everyone has a fair share. Go back to your hippie commune bullshit. Go to your fucking nudist farm, you piece of shit motherfucker. So anywho, oh man, this is awesome. But you are gay, man. You are fucking gay. Fucking queer. And gingers are too. Oh, and I bet you like $10,000 that you love Avenged Sevenfold. Because people like you that act all pissed off and wear braces and are gingers and all that shit like the shittiest bands. I bet you listen to Avenged Sevenfold. Avenged Sevenfold fucking sucks. I am so happy their drummer is dead. Fuck Avenged Sevenfold. Worst band in the universe. I bet you suck more than Avenged Sevenfold because you suck that much. That's how much you suck. You have no right to post videos simply because you are inferior, and you practically don't live in the 21st century. You're practically a paranoid schizophrenic. No one gets equal rights anymore. Is it sad? Yeah, kind of. But in the case of little ginger douchebags like you, no, it's not sad. It's happy. It's very happy. So fuck you. Yay, amen.